Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can add an extension on Chrome. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Chrome browser and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Next, click on the dots icon at the top right corner of the browser and a menu will open up. Inside this menu, scroll down to the bottom and click on Chrome Web Store. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, navigate to the Extensions section and start searching for the extension you want to add. When you find the extension, click on the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Install to confirm the action. After the installation is complete, the extension will be added to your browser and you can start using it right away. So that's basically how you can add an extension on Chrome. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.